Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be showing you how I'm potting on and growing my agapanthus. These are what I grew from seed last year. So all I'll be doing with these, as you can see, you've got a really good root system. Just tidy it up, get rid of any little dead bits of leaves on the bottom, and putting them on. Hopefully I might get some flowers out of these next year, or it might be the year after. That's the only thing. Growing these from seed, it will take 2 or 3 years before they'll flower, but it's well worth it, and hopefully I'll get something really nice out of one of these, or 2. So anyway, let's get cracking. I'm using this compost first. It's from Wicks. It's a peat-based compost. A really good crumbly texture. It's also got a little bit of feed in it, but I'll be feeding these as soon as I've potted them on, giving them good water. When it's sunny like this, I'll feed them in the evening when the sun sets, so we don't get any leaf burn on any of them. So let's get cracking. First of all, like I said, tidy up any rotten leaves. That one's a little bit discoloured, that one. Just take the scissors and just tidy that up a little bit, like so. And I'm using these pots to put them on in. I got these last year from a garden centre. They haven't arrived, and when they put their plants on, they sell the old pots. So as you can see, this has got a little side shoot coming already. Nice in the centre like so. Good. Compost, give it a good tap down. Like so. And just get your fingers and just make sure it's nice and level. And that's it. Get that out of there. Let's do another one. These are what I've had my pelargoniums growing in. Now I've put them on. See, everything gets used 2 or 3 times. Yeah, because I just haven't got the money to be buying new pots all the time. So I use everything until it's on its last legs. Yeah, so look at that gorgeous plant. Into the centre like so. Nice layer of compost around. Like I said, this has got some feed in it, so this should be alright for 2 or 3 weeks, but I also give it I'll give these an extra feed tonight. Give it a tap down. With your fingers, a bit more on. And that's it. I grew this from seed last year, so this is agapanthus from seed, part 3, potting on. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And remember folks, happy sowing, happy growing. Oh, please give me a thumbs up. All I've got to do with these now is just give me a good water. So, thank you very much. Bye.